Didn't cooperate, we're gonna leave those there. We're gonna go back to the lock up here on the garage. See if we can finish this rekey without this damn camera restarting yet again. Getting tiresome. Alright. Put this back on. Should just be a simple, slightly forceful push with the lock. Put it back up on upside down, it doesn't look like. It's on. She turns. She locks. She unlocks. I'm going to tighten that up on the door for him since I still have a screwdriver out. Little things. Put the screwdriver handle back on for the customer so it doesn't fall off before they get done trying to sell it. There you go. Lock and key. Pick up your lube. It means the locker's still unlocked too. Should probably set those keys somewhere better too for that very reason. Put all this back together-ish. I have to close it anyways. The orange box is no longer the orderliest thing that it used to be. Everything back, damn it. Screwdriver. Keys. Super lube. There you go. Alright, you put everything back away. Work on a bill. Work on securing the doors. Our mess is mostly cleaned up. I'll probably stop this, get some still frame shots for the customer afterwards, just so they know what the inside looks like, since they've yet to be inside. Can't seem to catch balance. There we go. Precariously holding it, but alright. Put you up there. Alright. Last screwdriver. Screwdriver containers are full. Impacts, Allen wrenches, chisels, complete set. Alright, we can lock the toolbox now. So, I'm going to lock our toolbox. The keys go on the hook so everyone knows where they are. It's not about keeping people out, it's about knowing how to get in it and keeping it from flopping open while I'm driving on the road. Super loops how we know, and left the keys in it. I'm gonna lock that bad boy. Same ritual, keys on a hook. Good rituals to have. So we're cleaned up, power's off. I just lost my keys. That's good. I just had them. Just had them. Welcome to my life. There they are, on the floor. Still have keys. Alright, mess is cleaned. Locker is locked. Keys are on hooks. Power's off. And all that's left are keys in a lockbox. Which, I don't know the code without looking it up, so. Been fun, guys. Hope you at least found me rambling at least mildly entertaining. If not, well, you swiped on anyhow. And you're not listening to this, so who cares? Have a good one.